Hey guys, alright, so I gotta make some icicles today, so I thought I would make a small video to show you how I do that. I'm not very seasoned at it. In fact, it's not even my technique, so but anyway, just thought I'd share it. So I bought these clear transparent rods from a place here in Calgary called Industrial Plastics. Fantastic place. That's where they get all the resin and all that stuff, so it's really helpful to have it so close. Alright, so basically I'm going to light this candle. I haven't done it with this thickness yet, but we'll see how this goes. Okay, so you just hold it over. Actually, that might take whatever. Okay, we'll hold it over the fire. Now for every piece of rod, you might only get, one good icicle, and the rest are just rejects. So I'm hoping to get a good one for the video. But basically, you heat it up, keep heating it up. It will light on fire if you put it too low, but let's just see. Okay, it's starting to get wobbly here. So I'd like to kind of move up the base a little bit so it's not just gonna pull in one area. Well, you do want it just pull in one area, but maybe a little higher, because it's gonna pull pretty long with a rod this long. With a rod this long, there's got to be better wording there. Okay, hold on a sec. Come on. Okay, once it starts to get wobbly, you want to start kind of pulling it, but really slow. And you want to be rotating it as you do this to get an even heat distribution. Alright, so it's starting to get there. We're going to pull it really slow. Really slow, come on. Okay, now it's getting, so I'm going to pull it away from the fire. And I'm going to just kind of give it one of these. Alright, so that's not terrible. We're going to let that cool for a sec. Okay. Okay, so I kind of like the, well, let's use the right side. Where the hell am I? Okay. So we're gonna, I'll take the, alright. So we're gonna cut it there. Okay, so now you got that. Okay. And then I'm going to, where the hell? Oh, we're here. Okay, so this is actually, once it gets this size, I like to clip on. I'm going to clip on about there. And then I'm going to do it again. Hold on. Okay. These things are not very strong, but it doesn't take much strength once it heats up, so. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start bending it, like twisting it when it heats up, and kind of creating kind of unique kind of shape to the icicle. It's not going to look perfect, but usually if you dress it up enough with some snow effects and ice effects, it ends up working out okay. So, oh. Almost burnt it. Oh no, that was the clamp. Hold on a sec. Okay, so it's starting to. So I'm gonna start bending it, and you can see it kind of warps it a bit there. So that's not bad actually. I'm gonna stop there. Take it off. We could blow on it. You can see how it's kind of warped. Come on, you bastard. Ugh, it's too small. Alright, so it's a little warped, so I'm gonna take it off there, and then I'm gonna go up even further on it. Alright, like that. Just further up the base. I'm gonna do it one more time. This is gonna be, it's gonna burn the, so I would twist it in the opposite direction this time. Let's give it a sec here. It's gonna burn your clamps. I took the plastic covers off the clamps. They're not, it is gonna potentially leave an impression on the icicle, but once you dress it up, I don't think it's gonna be a big deal. Okay, I'm gonna twist it the other, it's starting to get, alright, I'm gonna twist it, okay. Alright, that's not bad. I'll show you in a sec here. Okay. Just trying to get some frickin' background here. Okay, hold on. I'll clamp it here. There you go. Okay. That's a little weird. Maybe a little too much bend, but alright, so that is the icicle. Now you want to get some sandpaper. Now you want to get some sandpapers, a very fine coat, or not coat, very fine whatever the hell. And the tip of it is a little bit sharper. There's a bit of an edge to it, so you want to kind of get rid of that. And just sand it off. Now, if you sand too much of the icicle, it's going to turn foggy, obviously, so just the tip. Okay. You know, that's not bloody terrible. That's pretty damn good, actually. So, and then you want it to, so I'm gonna just get the top a bit more flat. There. Okay. So there the hell is it? It's tough to see because it's transparent. Here, hold on. There. There you see. It's pretty good. Not bad. And then with the combination of, you know, this type of shit, then you know, you can make it look not bad. So also, yeah, you get various gauges. So there's going to be different sizes of icicles. So you got 3 different sizes here. But that looks like a nice 1/6 scale icicle. All right. That's it. Thanks for watching.